Exercise 23. Just open everyone open page number 238, exercise 23. And the first question was the homework. Now the second question. Now second question. The number of stools in 5 rooms of a school are given below. Room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4 and 5. And the number of stool is 30, 40, 60, 50 and 20. And now we have to represent this information in pictograph. So, and the scale is given here already. If anybody not able to, anybody is not able to draw the stool, they can use another shape to represent the stool. Not an issue for this कि सर मैं स्टूल नहीं बना सकता मुझे नहीं आता और whatever. And at the top we have to write the scale. First we write the scale. Make a stool like this. Everyone और everyone try to draw. कोशिश करेंगे तो शायद बन जाएगा. And just do like this. And this is the now stool. One stool is similar to 10. मतलब one figure is represent 10 stools. So this is the scale for the question. Now draw the table like this. Okay, draw the table like this, and at the top we have to write room number, and this is number of stool. Number of stools. Now in room number 1 there is 30 stool. So कौन है Astha? Okay, Astha, tell me. Then how many figure I draw to represent the room number 1 tools? Yes, good. We have to draw the 3 figures to represent this. We have to draw the 3 figures. So please draw the 3 figure. Draw the 3 figure like this. So this 3 represent the 30, means one figure represent the 10 stools. So 3 represent the 30 stools. Now the second, then after third, then after fourth, then after fifth, and then fifth. Yes, fifth is the last one. Now fifth, and uh, now the room number 2. There is 40 stools, so we have to draw 4 figure. So we have to draw 4 figures to represent the 40 stools. एंड दिस इज नॉट एन इशू कि माई ड्राइंग इज नॉट गुड, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस। आई एम बार बार मैं एक ही बात बोल रहा हूँ। सो यू ऑल हैव टू ड्रॉ। सबको कोशिश करना है और बनाना है। Now you see, there is four figure means 40. This four figure represent 40 stool in class 2, room number 2. Now see the third, there is 60. Then you have to draw 6 stools. Is it clear to everyone? और नहीं, किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो प्लीज आस्क, पूछो। Now see, there is in the first there is 3, in the second there is 4. Means we in first we represent 30 stools by 3 figures. In second, room number 2, we represent 40 figures by 42 stools by. My voice is coming very low. अभी ठीक है? It is okay now. So for room number 3, we represent 60 stools by drawing 6 figure, 6 stools. Now in class 4 there is 50. So we have to draw 5. We have to draw 5. So we have to draw 5 and now for the class 5 we have to draw 20. Sorry, we have to represent 20. So we have to draw only 2 stools. Okay, and now close this. Clear? Question number 2 is clear. तो सबको समझ में आ गया कि हाउ यू ड्रॉ दिस to represent the number. Now, question number 3, you can do your own. Question number 3, do in homework. और किसी को आदमी अगर नहीं बनाना आता है तो एक ऑप्शन है, जस्ट मेक अ सर्कल, ड्रॉ अ लाइन, बस हो गया आदमी। वी कैन ड्रॉ लाइक दिस ओनली। ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? ठीक है, इट्स बिकॉज ये बनाना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, और इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम टू ड्रॉ देन यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट दिस साइन। ऐसा एक साइन बना देंगे, वन सर्कल, देन ड्रॉ अ लाइन, देन हैंड एंड लेग वॉट एवर, एंड देन represent the scale. Clear, everyone? Question number three. Okay, tell me, what is the doubt? See the scale. Just see the scale. This is given just below the question. The scale of one figure. One figure is actually called five successful students or five students. So if there is 15, then you can draw three figures. If it is 25, then you can draw five figures. If it is 10, then draw two. If it is 20, then you draw four. Is that clear? Can you please tell me your name? What is your name? हाँ, तो अंशिका रानी अभी क्लियर हो गया तुम्हारे को? यही चीज तो यहाँ समझाया है तुम्हारे को. In question number 2, in class 1 there is 30 stools. In class 2 there is 40 stools. And class 6 60. And class 4 50. And class 5 is 20. So you see our scale is one stool. One figure represents 10 stools. So that is why for 30 we have to draw only 3. 40 we have to draw 4. 60 then draw 6. 50 then draw 5. Then 20 then draw 2. In the next same question number 3, one girl, see one girl is or one student is, picture is given here. One figure is equal to five students, five successful students. So in English you have to draw three figures. In mathematics you have to draw five figures. In Hindi you have to draw two figures. And in drawing you have to draw four figures. Clear, Anshika Rani? This three means, हाँ बोलो बोलो क्या? बिकॉज वन फिगर रिप्रेजेंट फाइव. उसके नीचे पढ़ो ना स्केल क्या लिखा हुआ है. देयर इज अ स्केल इन एवरी क्वेश्चन. वन फिगर इज सिमिलर टू फाइव स्टूडेंट. दिस इज सिमिलर साइन. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ सिमिलर साइन. इक्वल टू तब होता है जब वो दो होता है. इफ देर इज अ थ्री लाइन पैरेलल टू ईच अदर देन इट इज अ सिमिलर साइन. और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है इन बुक कि वन फिगर इज सिमिलर टू फाइव successful students. That is why if we draw one girl, one figure means five successful students. अंशिका समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? If we draw one figure is equal to or one figure is similar to five successful students. That is why in English there is 15. There is 15 students. So हर पांच के लिए हमें एक बनाना है. कितना बनाना है? फाइव. आउट ऑफ सॉरी, फॉर फाइव वी हैव टू ड्रॉ वन. तो मुझे अब तुम बताओ कि 15 के लिए कितने कितने, हाउ मेनी फाइव इन 15? How many 5 is possible in 15? 3. So you have to draw 3 figures. Now tell me how many 5 is possible in 25? 5. Then you have to draw 5 figures. Now it is clear? Clear? Done. Okay, nice. So question number 3, you all have to do by your own. Now the question number 4. Anshika Rani, now read the question number 4. I want you can read the question number 4. Hmm. Read the complete question. Mm-hmm. 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 Hmm. So now tell me the scale. Scale तो तुमने पढ़ा, फिर से बताओ स्केल कितना है? See, everyone draw a circle, one like this, one here, and now see. मुझे ऐसा ही आता है. So it's don't think कि ये figure हमारा गलत है. So this figure represent 10 fans. Okay? This is month, and this is number of fans. So Ansika, now the first is March. So tell me how many fans I can draw here. बस समझ आ गया तुम्हारे को, तो अब कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है मुझे, तो फिर समझ आ गया. बस तो फिर अपना क्वेश्चन कर लो जल्दी से, और कोई डाउट है तो पूछो. थ्री फैन इज इक्वल टू थ्री फिगर, सॉरी, थ्री फिगर, three figure represent 30 number of fan because each figure represent or similar to 10 fans. Clear? In April, in April, there is 40, so we have to draw four fans. In May it is, yes. Oh, it's okay, no problem. You okay? Leave that. You just concentrate on your studies. Leave that. What is inside? Just leave that. Just watch the question and do your own question. Now you are doing or not. If you are doing, don't focus on anyone. Ki who is I and whatever blah blah. Just see the question. This is the, you have to now. Why you join the class? Yes, Asta. Okay. He messaging you. Okay. Tell me the name, please. What is the name? This. Okay, you can say. No, no, just tell me what is her name? What is his or her name? This is Aditya. This is all name is written here. No, what is the problem? Now it's so. I think leave the class. It's left. His name is connecting. Leave that. Just focus on this, and you just tell me the screenshot. I will shut out the problem after that. Okay. Continue the class, please. Now for May, you can send me the screenshot. I will check. कौन है वो? May there is 60, so you have to draw six fans. Leave that. Everyone, just leave that. Focus on studies. Don't ignore the messages. Ignore the messages, please. Tomorrow I will change the password and anything. Then he is not able to join our class. Now see, everyone have to draw the six figures. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, ये पहला बड़ा है. I think first I rub just first two and make a smaller one. Now see, in May there is 50, sorry, 60 fans sold. So we draw six figure because one figure is similar to 10 fan. Clear? Now in June it is 50. Now it is 50. So how many figure we have to draw to represent 50 fans? Very nice. Good. Very good. Very nice. Everyone must answer क्योंकि सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. So, and yes, no problem, no problem, it's okay. Oh, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, चलता है. या थोड़ा सा अपने लाइन को एक्सटेंड कर लो और if there is no space you can use downward also. ठीक है, अभी जैसे सपोज ये है तो इसको यहाँ बना लो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, एडजस्टेड. छोटा बड़ा कोई मैटर नहीं करता है. देयर इज ओनली सी द फिगर इज वन फिगर काउंट्स 10. ओके आस्था. Okay. Now we have to draw 5. Now the scale is given here, so we can use the scale. See, now in our book the scale is given. That is why we are taking the scale according to book. If the scale is not given, you can choose your own scale. ओके. ये बात समझ में आई सबको कि द स्केल इज गिवन हियर, सो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द स्केल अकॉर्डिंग टू बुक. इफ द स्केल इज नॉट गिवन हियर यू कैन यूज योर ओन स्केल. ठीक है, समझ गए इस बात को, ध्यान रखना सभी. ओके. नाउ जुलाई. यस, जुलाई एंड आफ्टर दैट अगस्त. ओके. Now the July, there is 20, so we have to draw only two van. And in August, then 30, then we have to draw only three fans. Yes, good. Done? Okay. So now see, is there any confusion or doubt? Please ask. Otherwise, everyone must. And everyone do the classwork. Good, very nice. So everyone must do the classwork in the class. This is our class, online class. So you can complete your classwork in during the class, not after or that. Okay. Now see question number 5 and question number 6. In question number 5 and question number 6, the graph is drawn for us. Means the pictograph is drawn for us and we have to answer the following question. Clear? Question number 5. Asta, read the question number 5, please. Yes. Good, 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 good. Just. Hmm. See, everyone must write like this: 4, 3, 5 in the book. And now the first question is, how many mango trees are there? Astha, first you will answer. Yes, 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. You have to write here 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. Now, Sneha, how many banyan trees are there? Sneha, are you in class or not? Tell me, how many banyan trees are there? Very good. There are 32 banyan trees. Anshika Rani, how many neem trees are there? Anshika Rani, 40. Very good. Ab, uh, and how many trees are there in all? You can add and write it. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me, what is the total? Very good. Now the 96 is the total number of good. Very nice. और क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तो मुझे उसका नाम याद रहेगा, तो मैं उसको बार बार पूछूंगा. So you all are active during the class and don't see others. अब कोई कुछ कर रहा है तो don't see, just ignore it. Don't read the message, just concentrate in your class. And now the question number 3 and question number 6. Everyone mark please. Question number 3 and question number 6 is your homework. Okay? Yes? No, no, no. In copy, you have to write the question and answer. Don't draw the pictograph. Okay? Just write the Monday number. Just write the number and write down the this. And everyone tomorrow buy one graph copy. Not very बहुत मोटा नहीं खरीदना है. Just only 10-20 pages. Everyone take a graph copy. I think when we do the when we do the chapter number 24, the graph copy is required. So everyone please buy one graph copy. Bye bye everyone. Bye. The class is over now. Bye bye.